Hey, so if you're learning programming or stuck on errors, yeah, Claude can actually help you write code, fix bugs, and understand programming way faster. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it for coding help, step by step. First thing, explain your goal clearly. Don't just say write code, say exactly what you want to build. Next, always mention your language. So Python, JavaScript, Java, or whatever you're using. All right, ask for step-by-step explanations. I mean, this helps you learn instead of just copying code blindly. Now, if you have an error, paste it directly. Claude can quickly analyze what went wrong and suggest a fix. Next, ask it to debug your code. So, request a clear explanation of the bug and how to fix it. All right, once it works, ask for a cleaner version. I mean, this improves performance and readability. And yeah, ask for a learning version too. This adds comments so you understand how everything works. So that's how you use Claude AI for coding help. Once you use this method, coding becomes a lot easier to learn and debug.